Hi there, welcome. This video is about how to sit. I've had so many questions from so many different patients of mine asking, Doc, what's the best way to sit? How do I get rid of this tension on my shoulders? Let me show you a few quick tips on how to alleviate those problems. First of all, number one, you want to pay attention to where you're sitting on the chair. If you're sitting farther back, and your chances are you're going to have backrest. What that backrest does, it allows your back to fall back into it. That's not what we want. Because what happens, we tend to fall forward, we collapse the head, neck and shoulders, everything comes forward here. What we want to do is take the backrest out of play and sit a little more forward into the front of the chair and pretend like there's a rope attached to the chest and attached to the belly button. And you're going to pretend those ropes are pulling you forward. And what happens with that, we're not quote unquote sitting up straight, we're allowing the arch of the back to take its natural shape. And if it's difficult for you, don't worry about it. Do what you can. Allow the pretend rope to pull the chest and belly button forward so it forces the arch to come into place. When that happens, the head, neck, and shoulders will fall directly over the hips where they're supposed to be. If this is difficult for you in the beginning, it should be if you're not used to it. However, with a little bit of practice, I want you to practice sitting like this so that it becomes more and more natural. If you're just beginning with this, I want you to practice going into the arch position, going back to slouch, just going back and forth several times so you get the feeling of that low back really starting to move. Again, I don't want you to get in the habit of falling back. It's okay to use the backrest every now and then, but get more in the habit of sitting toward the front, allowing the chest and belly button to be pulled forward and remain like this for minutes to hours on end. The more you practice it, the better you become at it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. You can reach out to me via text, phone, or email. See you then. Bye-bye.